Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a responsive Wix website. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll have to do is to go to manage.wix.com and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top right hand side click on create new site. Now over here you can set up start chat or set up without chat. Just click on set up without chat, and now here on the drop down you can choose what kind of website do you want to create, and now click on continue. Now here you can choose a name for your website, and now click on continue on the bottom right. The same way choose the goals for your website and click on continue. Now here you can choose the apps you'd like to add to the Wix website, and you can click on continue. Now just click on continue to dashboard. So to make your website responsive you need to connect it to a domain. So enter the domain over here and click on let's go, and then complete the domain connection for the responsive website. Now here just below it you can write your first blog, design website, or get found on Google. Now to design the site, click on design site on the top right hand side. Now here you can pick a template or generate a design, but just click on pick a template. Now here hover over the template you like and click on edit. Now here once you click on a section on the right hand side you can get a pencil icon, click on it, and now here you can change the section background, the strip background, the image, the vector art, and all of the different paragraphs. On the top right hand side you can also change the layout. Now in order to make your website responsive, make sure that you have added the elements that fit to the website. Make sure that your sections are working, and also that your site pages and menu are properly made. Also make sure that your site is responsible on mobile mode. So on the top left click on the mobile icon, and now if any of the elements are out of line you can align them properly. Now if you want to preview your site, click on the preview icon on the top right hand side. Now here it will let you preview your website on different kind of mobile devices and also laptops. So make sure you go through your entire site page by page and make sure that everything is aligned properly. Also pay attention to the load times and how fast your website actually loads. To ensure fast loading times, make sure that everything on your website is simple and very clean. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.